again. Y'all, these ants are relentless. I wanted to tell y'all about grounding. And this is why I had to get products for the indoors, because my backyard is full of ants and I don't know how to get rid of them without using toxic chemicals. So, meet me inside. Okay, so here I am indoors, and I've put these two mattress covers on our futon in the guest bedroom for demonstration purposes. So first, let me talk about mattress number 1. And it's really just a mattress cover. Can you see that? It goes on with straps that go underneath the mattress. So that's how they go. This one was my second mattress that I decided to try, because unlike the other one, can you see it over there? It's not perforated. It's a smooth surface. But I discovered that I really didn't like sleeping on this mattress because can you hear this? I just did not like the plastic kind of feel. And I'll show you, I actually put a sheet on top of the mattress, so I do not sleep directly on the mattress. Some people do, some don't, but after getting this one, I was just totally convinced as to why I like the other one. So, can you hear that? And it wrinkles, you know, just didn't like it. So let's take a closer look to number 2. So here's a closer look to mattress cover number 2. And I guess I should zoom in there for you, but it's perforated. I'm not sure if you can see that. So there it is, right here. It's perforated. It has all these little holes in there. But if you could feel this mattress here, it's much softer. They're both supposed to be like a faux leather kind of material that's has carbon in it or something like that, but I mean, you hear the difference? It's just much smoother and it's softer, and it conforms. You know, once you put the sheet on it, it really stays in place, and it's just more comfortable. So this is my number 1 pick for a mattress cover, is one that would be perforated. Both of these mattresses are made in the same manner. They have a plug that leads from the mattress over to the outlet. And this receptacle cube has safety on it where only the ground part is metal. And you can extend your outlet by adding more outlet extensions. When you get your kit, which includes the cover and the leads and even this little square here comes with it, you also get a device for checking whether your outlets are grounded. And let's see here. This says correct. We need 2 lights. So you can check and verify that it's grounded properly. So now I've put a sheet on the bed, and you can see the outline of where the 2 are different. This is the noisy side, and this is my comfortable side. It just feels so much better underneath the sheet. I mean, you don't even know it's there, and it feels so smooth. I really enjoy sleeping on this every night. Here's one more thing I wanted to show you. Now, the voltage that I measured going through my body downstairs is about 1 point something. Well, here upstairs is 5.04. I'm going to switch my hand so that you can still see this. Then I'm going to touch the mat, and it does go down. 1.2, And the other side it goes down to 1.2 also. And touching the mattress cover with my bare hands causes it to go down even lower than with the sheet on top. If I were to choose a mat that I were to sleep on without a sheet, it would still be the perforated mat. Here's a universal mat that I use on the floor. I have one in the kitchen, and I usually stand on it if I'm in an area of cooking for a long time, or when I walk around the kitchen, I come back and at least touch it. I also have one underneath my computer, and I've purchased a couple of extra mats for my dogs because everyone should be grounding indoors, right?